Hey guys, want to start making money on Kraken but don't know where to start? Let me break it down for you in 60 seconds. So, first of all, verify your account. Head over to kraken.com, sign up, verify your identity. It's like showing your ID at a club, but for crypto. Next, what you're gonna do? Classic trading. Buy low, sell high. Use Kraken's simple interface to buy crypto or to buy Bitcoin, or Ethereum. Buy when it dips and sell when it pumps. Don't overthink it. Next, staking. Staking equals passive income. So you're gonna hit earn right here at the bottom right, the last option, right? And staking basically, you can earn from the market or earn rewards up to 20% API. It's like putting your money to work while you nap. Next, use the Kraken Pro features or upgrade to your Kraken Pro, right? More tools, lower fees, but only if you're ready to go from baby steps to beast mode. You can find it anywhere. Maybe let's say if you click your profile icon, maybe you won't find it here, or you could go ahead to the wallet and then upgrade, because you're gonna find under the balance or under the wallet you're gonna see Kraken Plus. If you upgrade your Kraken, you're gonna get more tools, lower fees, but only if you're ready to go from, if you're very much ready to take the leap. Next, crypto's risky. Don't throw in your rent money. Do your homework. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Like for more crypto tips. And remember, in this game, patience pays. See you.